by control of selective oxidation technique to prepare the hydroxysilicate polymer having the functional F2 to prepare the solid polyurethane. However, there are no responses in both applications. So, the aim of this research are to prepare hydroxysilicate polymer from natural rubber or HCNR. The second, to prepare the polyurethane foam based on the HCNR and commercial polyols. And finally, to investigate physical, mechanical, thermal, and acoustic properties of polyurethane foam. We move to see the results of the preparation and properties of the hydroxysilicate polymer from natural rubber. For this slide I would like to show our previous work in the preparation of the hydroxysilicate polyisoprene, starting from the synthetic polyisoprene. But